National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for pretty much the entire planet Earth, including the planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated several hundred clouds over these planets, producing rotation and funnels. Remember, the safest place to be during a tornado is... screw it! There is no safe place to be in these dangerous lethal storms, so prepare to kiss your butts goodbye. This concludes the final National Weather Service warning ever.